What do you do if you get attacked by a group of clowns? Why, you go for the juggler. What kind of shoes do frogs wear? Why, they wear open-toed sandals. How do you cut an ocean wave in half? You use a seesaw. Why did the sun go to school? To get brighter. What is gray, has 4 legs, a tail, and a suitcase? Why, a mouse on vacation. What do you call a penguin in the desert? Lost. Where do horses live? Why, they live in neighborhoods. Why was the math book sad? Because it had too many problems. Why don't ducks ever have spare change? They only carry bills. What goes up but never comes down? Your age. Why shouldn't you tell a joke while standing on ice? Because it might crack up. Ha ha ha! What do you call a fish in a tree? Lost. What day do potatoes hate the most? Why, Fridays. What do you give a lemon that needs help? Lemonade! Ha ha ha! Where do burgers like to go to dance? At a meatball! Why didn't Cinderella get picked for the basketball team? Because she kept running away from the ball. What do you get when you cross an elephant and a fish? Why, you get swimming trunks. What stays in a corner but can travel around the world? A postage stamp. How do hairstylists speed up their job? They take shortcuts. What do you call a bear with no teeth? A gummy bear. Who can shave 6 times a day but still have a beard? A barber. Why didn't the skeleton go to the dance? He had no body to go with. Why did the belt go to jail? Because it held up a pair of pants. Ha ha ha! Where do you put barking dogs? Well, you put 'em in a barking lot. Riff raff! What do you call a lizard at the North Pole? Lost! What does a clock do when it's hungry? It goes back for seconds.